Hello, my friends, welcome to HD Interiors. Today's focus is on epoxy coffee tables, pieces that blend creativity and craftsmanship to create stunning focal points in any room. Epoxy resin opens up endless design possibilities, from sleek, minimalist surfaces to vibrant, eye-catching colors. Among these, resin river tables stand out with their flowing, natural look that brings a unique harmony of wood and resin. Whether looking to refresh a living room or find that perfect statement piece, exploring these epoxy designs reveals how art and function can come together beautifully in furniture. What makes epoxy coffee tables so special? Epoxy coffee tables are truly remarkable because of the resin's ability to form a flawless, glass-like surface. This smooth finish doesn't just look beautiful, it enhances and highlights the natural patterns and textures of the wood beneath. The wood grain, knots, and edges become even more vivid, creating a captivating contrast with the resin. Beyond aesthetics, epoxy resin adds durability. These tables resist scratches, spills, and stains much better than traditional finishes, making them both practical and stylish for everyday use. Whether it's a coffee cup or a decorative item, the surface can handle it without losing its shine. What makes epoxy tables even more exciting is the endless design possibilities. The resin can be tinted in nearly any color, from clear and subtle hues to bold, vibrant tones. It can also be combined with textures, embedded objects like stones or metallic flakes, or even glow-in-the-dark powders, offering a truly personalized touch. The seamless blending between wood and resin transforms each table into a unique piece of functional art. Instead of a simple piece of furniture, it becomes a statement, showcasing natural beauty enhanced by creative craftsmanship. Resin river tables are a beautiful fusion of natural wood and colored epoxy, where a river of resin flows between two live-edge slabs of wood. This design highlights the organic curves and shapes of the wood, creating a striking contrast between the natural and the crafted. Popular colors for the resin river include deep blues and greens, which evoke a sense of water and nature, as well as clear resin that lets the wood grain shine through. Metallics and other unique pigments can add shimmer or a modern edge, allowing each table to set a different mood depending on the color choice. What makes each resin river table truly unique is the way the natural shape of the wood guides the resin's flow. No two pours are ever the same, resulting in a one-of-a-kind pattern that feels alive and dynamic. This flowing design not only looks stunning but also brings a calming sense of movement and harmony into any room, making resin river tables both a functional surface and a captivating work of art. Epoxy coffee tables come in a wide range of styles, each bringing something special to a space. Minimalist designs often use subtle, neutral resin blends, soft grays, whites, or clear finishes that perfectly complement modern and contemporary interiors. These tables create a sleek, understated look that highlights the natural wood without overwhelming the room. On the other end of the spectrum, bold and vibrant resin colors paired with rustic or live edge would make a dramatic statement. Deep blues, fiery reds, or rich greens contrast beautifully with rough wood textures, turning the table into a striking centerpiece full of energy and personality. For those who love a personal touch, incorporating natural elements like stones, leaves, or shells embedded in the epoxy adds character and uniqueness. These details turn a simple table into a conversation piece that reflects the owner's style and interests. Some designs take things further with multi-layered epoxy techniques, building depth and texture that make the surface feel almost three-dimensional. This layering effect adds richness and visual intrigue, making the table appear more like a work of art than just furniture. Finally, combining epoxy tabletops with other materials, like sleek metal legs or sturdy bases, creates a balanced, cohesive look. Mixing materials not only enhances the design but also adds structural strength, ensuring these tables are both beautiful and durable. Epoxy resin isn't limited to coffee tables. It's a fantastic choice for dining tables, side tables, desks, and more. Using epoxy on these surfaces creates the same stunning, glossy effect that highlights wood grain and adds a touch of elegance to any room. One of the great advantages is the ability to customize sizes and shapes. Whether it's a large dining table for family gatherings or a compact side table for a cozy corner, epoxy allows for endless flexibility to fit different spaces and functions perfectly. Epoxy's versatility also extends to outdoor furniture, thanks to its weather-resistant finishes. Tables made with epoxy can withstand exposure to sunlight, moisture, and temperature changes better than many traditional materials, making them ideal for patios and outdoor living areas. For unique visual effects, resin can be mixed with pigments in a wide array of colors, glow-in-the-dark powders for a subtle nighttime shimmer, or metallic flakes to add sparkle and depth. These creative touches transform ordinary tabletops into extraordinary, eye-catching features. Maintaining the stunning look of epoxy tables is straightforward, but a few key care tips can keep that glossy, glass-like finish looking fresh for years. For everyday cleaning, using a soft, damp microfiber cloth is the best approach. This gentle method removes dust, fingerprints, and spills without scratching the surface or dulling the shine. It's important to avoid harsh chemicals, ammonia-based cleaners, or abrasive scrubbing pads. These can damage the resin's protective layer, causing cloudiness or tiny scratches that accumulate over time. Instead, stick to mild soap mixed with water if deeper cleaning is needed, and always wipe dry afterward to prevent water spots. Over time, small scratches or surface imperfections might appear. Fortunately, these are often easy to fix with polishing. Using fine polishing compounds specifically made for resin or plastic surfaces, you can gently buff out minor scratches and restore the table's smooth, reflective finish. Regular polishing can help maintain that showroom quality look. Another factor to consider is sunlight exposure. While epoxy resin is durable, prolonged contact with direct UV rays can cause yellowing or discoloration. To keep tables looking pristine, it's best to position them away from strong sunlight or use UV-resistant coatings when possible. This protects the resin and keeps the colors vibrant and clear over time. With just a little attention, epoxy tables can stay beautiful and functional for many years, maintaining their unique blend of art and durability that makes them so special. How to choose the right epoxy table for your space. When selecting an epoxy table, it's important to consider your existing decor style to ensure the table complements the overall vibe. Whether your space leans modern, rustic, industrial, or eclectic, there's an epoxy design that can fit seamlessly or stand out beautifully. Matching resin colors and wood tones to the room's palette and lighting plays a big role in creating harmony. For example, lighter woods paired with soft, neutral resin colors work well in bright, airy rooms, while darker woods and richer resin hues add warmth and depth to cozier spaces. Balancing visual impact with practical needs is key. Think about the size and shape that best suit your room and lifestyle. A large, bold epoxy table can become a stunning centerpiece, but make sure it fits well and doesn't overwhelm the space. Smaller or more subtle tables might serve better as accents while still adding artistic flair. Ultimately, deciding whether you want your epoxy table to be a focal point or a subtle complement will guide your choices in color, style, and size, helping you find a piece that enhances both the look and functionality of your space. Epoxy coffee tables and resin river designs represent more than just furniture. They are timeless works of art that beautifully combine creativity, craftsmanship, and functionality. Whether your style leans towards subtle, understated elegance or bold, eye-catching statements, these tables add a unique personality and refined sophistication to any living space. Each piece tells its own story through the blend of natural wood and vibrant resin, making every table one of a kind. Investing in epoxy furniture means bringing home not only a practical surface but also a captivating centerpiece that enhances the overall ambience of your home. If this overview has sparked your interest or inspired you to explore epoxy designs further, HD Interiors is here to help you discover more innovative ideas and design tips that elevate your living spaces to the next level. For ongoing inspiration and expert guidance on interior design, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow design enthusiasts, and subscribe to the HD Interiors channel. By joining our community, you'll stay updated with timeless, creative solutions that transform your home into a space you love. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to inspiring your next interior project.